Hello everybody, and welcome to this tutorial where we will discuss how to print PDF files in Java. So as I said, in this tutorial we'll be working with Iron PDF to print PDF files using Java. So as you can see, we've already set up the Maven project and already opened up the pom.xml file. So what we need to do now is add the Iron PDF and SLF4J dependencies to the pom.xml file. And what this does is will basically enable us to work with the Iron PDF library. So once you've added dependencies, we'll move to the app.java file. And we have the following pre-written code. So let's go through the code and understand what it does. The main class app contains a main method, which serves as the starting point for the program. And the Iron PDF license key is set using the license.set license key parentheses. And that enables the features of the library. A new PDF document object named PDF is created, and the path of the desired PDF file is then provided. So to print the PDF with the customizable print dialog box, the print parentheses method is used, and this allows users to adjust the print settings as needed. And for situations where the PDF should be printed without a print dialog box, the print without dialog parentheses method is utilized. And this prints the PDF directly without any user intervention for adjusting settings. So let's go ahead and run the code. When the program executes, the print parentheses function, a print dialog box will open, allowing us to customize the print settings. And you can change the printer and many other settings, of course. And after that, the print without dialog box parentheses will be called, and a save dialog box will open where you can save the PDF file. And if your laptop is not connected to a printer, Windows just assumes the export to PDF as the default option. All right. We hope that you found this tutorial helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials from Iron Software. And if you need any help, as always, our support team is standing by ready to assist.